Hey DIYs, I'm into another stage. I've brushed in, I haven't smoothed that off. Around that tap. Cool. I'm into another stage now. I'm just going to start rolling in a sec, and that'll be my first coat. And we're laughing. Where's my roller? Beautiful. You always go above your tap fitting. Mask it off and make all your lines straight if that's what you want to do. I don't, but I see other waterproofers do that, and you know, they can they're entitled to do that. You don't have to have all your lines of waterproof straight. Anyway, slap it on, roll it out. Overlap where you've brushed. The owner arrived, so he sorted out the what do you call it, generator. I thought it had run out of petrol, but it hadn't. But he doesn't know why it stopped on me. Don't know. Anyway, it's going again now, so it's all good. Because soon I'll need it for my fan, my dryer. But it's sort of the start of summer, so everything's warming up. It won't take long to dry at all. Starting to dry now. See the difference in colour? Put a fan on this when I've done the first coat. Go and have some lunch. Muck about a bit, get things ready for my tiling on Monday, because today is Friday. So it's the weekend coming up. Whoop, 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 whoop. I do like a bit of time with my wife and that sort of thing, because I'm giving all the time to people. It's nice to be able to chill out and relax a bit. I'll go down the road, get another drum of waterproof. I thought I might have enough, but no, I don't think so. Not by the time I do the floor. And then a second coat. I'll manage the first coat, I'd say, with what I've got. But go all different angles and different ways and roll it on. Don't worry about what it looks like. DIYs. You're not painting. You're not doing painting. It's a bit different, but it's similar. Well, it's the same actually. It's painting a wall, but instead of paint, it's waterproof. But you don't have to worry about brush marks or roller marks. You don't have to roll it out and all that. Nah. Nah. Just slap it on. I'm going to have my tiles, my floor tile going that way. It's a little bit longer part of the room, but I reckon it'll work better with the strip drain, with the shower. But I'll see, I'll figure it out on Monday, because I would like to centre it all, centre my shower. I need to work out what cuts I've got. I know I'm going a full tile from the strip drain back out this way, so 1200, that's where I'll be putting the water stop. Hopefully I can centre that and it all looks pretty. Hopefully I've got a nice size cut either side. It works out well here, I think, but I'll be checking it out on Monday when I start tiling. I take my hat off to DIYers because they give it a go. And it is fun building something. It's gratifying. I love it, you know, that's why I'm still doing it. No, I can't do that just yet. It's still too... I've got to brush it in. That glue is still too wet, because I need to put a bandage up there yet. Going good for time. It's only 10:15. That's good. I might have an early day today. I might as well take that up. It'll look better. Yeah, it'll look better if I go across there. I don't have to. There's just a bath going here, but why not? Cool bananas. You know, it doesn't take much waterproof to zap that. When I see little bits, little squares done around the waist and that sort of thing, I think, oh man, whoa, just waterproof the bloody bathroom, for God's sake. Round behind the vanity. Okay, people, I'll sign off. I'll just brush that up there. I'll just brush that in up there, and then I'll start on the floor, and then I'll turn the fan and everything on. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.